Listen. You hear it, right? Sounds like a woman's voice.
We're on the mob trap.
What do we hit?
Hell if I know. I can't see a damn thing.
Berto, hold the wheel steady.
Greg! Who the hell are you people? Randall!
Looks like you caught our thieves. Nice job. You know, every person we find living, they got some dead with them. Who was it for you, I wonder?
Robo?
Your fucking uselessness stops now. Time to earn your keep. Stop!
Sam. Oh, God. You fucking shot him!
I didn't mean to!
Do you think that matters?
Please. Let me help you. Okay, I screwed up. Randall should be the one laying there, not your brother. I can't undo what I did, but maybe I can help. I owe you. Both of you. Please. Anything.
You wanna help? Start by getting us the fuck out of here.
Not gonna be easy, but I'll do what I can.
Is he still breathing?
Jonas! I thought you'd have more time.
What do you mean? Oh, no.
Jonas, listen. I said I'd help them escape. Then we need to disappear too.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's find Pete and get the hell off this boat.
Thanks, Michonne, for stopping me. As much as I wanted to, for what he did. I'm glad I didn't kill Zachary.
You need to learn the difference between who's innocent and who's guilty. Zachary wasn't to blame.
Then I can take a pretty damn good guess who is.
Pete's still up there, and he's got company.
Okay, we'll distract the guard, then we're out of here.
Hey, Joe. Can you give me a hand with something?
I couldn't get anything out of him. Zachary was useless.
These people just aren't talking. Yeah. Problem is, we still know nothing about him.
I'll get him to talk. Don't worry.
I have to worry. After last time,
It won't go down like that. I swear.
it can't.
They see me gone. You haven't got a chance of getting out of here.
Hey, Randall! You want to tell me how this happened?
Zachary! He was guarding the door.
Right. Samantha put you up to this? Where is she? Come on. Out with it. Where is she?
I'm only here for Pete. If you find Sam, you can have her.
I'm not letting any of you go.
Norma, forget about the girl. We can figure this out between us.
I'd like that, Pete. But your friend here seems to have other ideas. Randall, sound the horn.
Sure thing.
Drop the machete. I said drop it while you still have...
We have to leave, now.
God damn it, Michonne. Always taking the hard road.
You're still alive, aren't you?
For now.
Come on.
Alarm! We got trouble!
Is this an attack?
What's happening?
Mike, where are the kids? Prisoners escaped and they're all out. Everyone, listen up.
Get down.
Prisoners escaped and they are armed and dangerous. Stay out of sight. We'll find them soon. We need to spread out.
In here. We're totally screwed. The whole town is looking for us.
We'll figure it out. Michonne?
I'll see if I can find us a ride out of here.
How many are there?
Only 3.
We might have to fight our way out.
What? Can't let them escape.
We won't.
There's a boat we can use.
We'll take them out if we have to. Them or us.
No, we are not killing people. I'll give myself up.
Pete!
It buys you time to escape and no one dies. And I'll find a way back to you. I can reason with these people.
That'll never work.
Pete, they'll kill you.
They won't. You start butchering their people, and our chances of making it out of here, any of us, go down to 0. I'm doing what's best for my crew. That includes you. When you get your opening, run!
We gotta stop him. Now!
Shoot, no! What are you doing? I could have talked them down.
I'm not taking any chances. Get ready.
Stay back.
You okay?
Those people.
Let's go, Pete.
Holy shit! They're over there!
Come on, swim for the boat.
You've already stolen our shit. You're not taking our boat too.
Walk away. You don't want to do this.
Oh, I very much do.
Hit it, Michonne! Let's go!
Come on, guys. It's spreading too fast.
It didn't have to happen this way. You gotta learn to keep your machete on your back instead of hack your way out. Because that doesn't always work.
You're crazy if you think Norma'd listen to you.
I think she would have done anything to avoid that. All I'm saying is next time, let me do what I do first. And if that doesn't work, your machete can do the talking.
There's no way we can get back to our boat.
We can hide out at my house until it's clear. My dad can help you. It's not far. We'll get there before morning.
Your dad? Why didn't you mention him before?
I don't want Norma looking for him. I'll tell you more on the way. Michonne? Oh, God.
Down!
Get to cover! Go! We gotta put some distance between us and Norma. Hope the walkers go for them instead. We can lose them in the woods.
How are we gonna do that?
Yeah, it's not like we're just gonna walk through those things.
Just watch.
Jesus Christ, Michonne!
Around his neck. Hurry! Now we walk. Stay close. Stay quiet. As long as we don't bump into any of them, we'll be fine.
Michonne, what is it? What do you see?
Thought I saw something in the herd.
All I see is walkers. I don't think there's anything worse than that.
Just keep going.
Michonne, slow down.
Shit.
I can't believe that worked.
Just be glad it did.
Clear! Take him down!
Into the woods! Move!